All right, we have a Hifonics sub today. I just blew it, I don't know, about a couple minutes ago. This is 400 RMS rated on the manual. I had at most 300 watts to it for like 2 seconds, and it was going down around 250 watts. So I figured I'd show it on camera and cut it apart. Here, she is pretty solid. This razor does not want to cut this rubber very well. Must be pretty dull. Sounded pretty good until it blew. I had it on a 40 hertz test tone just to see how long it would handle rated power. Well, I didn't get to rated power, but like I said, I saw upwards of 300 and it was stabilizing down to a different wattage, showing that it could handle it, I thought, thermally, but so I would say maybe at most 250 RMS on this, maybe. All right, some snips, these leads. Everything I'm telling you was for wattage was done with the termlab magnum with the power probe, so I know what I'm talking about as far as power it will handle. That's not the best one ever. Bear with me, I'll find a different knife, possibly. Maybe not, I'm not sure. Probably can't find a different one at the last second here. So let's see if I can cut this cone. There's that. Now, I definitely was not clipping it. I was watching the waveform. And my amp won't let me clip. It'll cut back output. And then I figured I'd show you on video here. I don't know if I'd say these are 250 RMS, maybe, at most. You get a better, I gotta actually get a razor knife one of these days. She still smells pretty bad. Okay. This last little bit off here. Alright, here's the coil. I don't know how well you can see it. She's definitely a little dark. And the adhesive let go, evidently, because she was starting to slinky down the coil. See? Before I took it out, while it was still warm, it moved in the gap. And once it cooled off, it froze. You can see that. So, normally, the coil would be all the way to the edge of that glue line, but the adhesive let go. Is my guess. I had it on 40 hertz in a ported box. But yeah, there it is. Hifonics sub. Thanks for watching.